Teams. Sync a Microsoft Teams team to a Windows computer. In this video, we'll show you how to sync a Microsoft Teams team to a Windows PC so that you can access files saved in the Teams channels through File Explorer. In Teams, open the General channel of the team you would like to sync. In the General channel, click on the Files tab. From here, so that you can sync all the standard channels together, click on Documents. This brings you to the parent level of the team's file structure. You'll see that there is a folder created for each team's standard channel. To sync the team, click on Sync. Note that any private or shared channels in the team need to be synced individually. You'll now see that Department for Education appears in your File Explorer as an additional drive in the left pane. This is where you'll find all your synced teams, if you've synced more than one team. You can see that this team has synced and the folders showing are the same as the standard channels in the team. You can now open, copy, move or delete these files directly from File Explorer. Remember though, that anything you do in File Explorer will affect all the members of the team, so be mindful when moving or deleting files.